Hello, thanks for tuning in. My name is Alan Flamholtz, and I'm going to introduce you today to the SweBend plate rolls. Just want to tell you a little bit about Trilogy Machinery. Outstanding customer service. Toward that end, we offer lifetime technical support for the machines that we sell. We have factory-trained sales and service personnel. We have a large inventory of spare parts. And we have right now 60 machines in stock that are available for immediate delivery. So again, we are trying to support our customers. These are difficult times, and we are ready to support them completely. So SweBend has been a leader in the bending roll business. I wanted to show you a video of the over in Hässleholm, Sweden. SweBend is a 9-year-old company located in the same town as Roundo before Roundo declared bankruptcy in 2016 and closed their Swedish facility. The SweBend company today is made up almost entirely of the former Roundo employees who designed, engineered, and built the close to 4,000 Roundo bending rolls that we sold in North America. Today, SweBend is continuing the tradition of building top quality machines, and the Swedes, who are known for their excellence in engineering, that continues to this day. The SweBend machines offer generally, they have the largest bending force, the highest drive torque, the largest bearings of any machine that you'll find on the market. We urge you to compare to other competitive machines. That's why SweBend is the choice of companies that demand high quality equipment like General Electric, Siemens, Volvo, John Deere, Emerson Electric, and more. The machines that they offer include the 3-roll double pinch machine, which is generally preferred by job shops because of their flexibility in those machines and the wide opening between the top and bottom roll. So the large opening allows things like channel to be put through at an angle to roll for stair stringers, for spiral staircases, for example, on that. Machines, which generally can accept the CNC controls. These machines are generally for the companies producing higher production or requiring higher production quantities and repeatability. Again, with the CNC controls, an operator can just select a program, call up program, push a button, and roll up the part very easily on there. SweBend machines, the 3-roll and 4-roll machines are available anywhere from 3-foot to 30-foot lengths, and with capacities from gauge to over 4-inch capacity at large lengths and large widths on there. I want to show you today a SweBend model PB486. It's a 6-foot machine with 8-inch diameter top roll. And on this machine, we have the CNC controls on the machine. This particular unit has support rolls under the lower roll. It has lifting roll or top support device. SweBend gets their rolls for all their machines only from 2 German steel mills. And they don't purchase bar stock or forgings from any other location or any, like some of the competitors look to purchase rolls, for example, from China. SweBend does not do that. Again, this way they can guarantee the quality of the rolls on their machines. The powered support rolls on the machine allow the the crowning of the rolls to be adjusted for varying thicknesses, and this will allow the machine to have a broader range of capability without issues from hourglass or barrel-shaped cylinders, which are typical when you roll something that is a little thinner or a little thicker than what the machine is rated for. So the support rolls allow you to avoid the hourglass or barrel shapes. We have on this machine the SweBend 7 Gold CNC control. Running Windows 10 64-bit system. We have Beckhoff CNC components on the machine. Beckhoff is a high-end German supplier of industrial machinery controls And they have their U.S. headquarters just outside of Chicago, and they have offices all over North America for support and technical issues. We have on this machine, for example, you can see the various axes that we have controllable on here. We have the tilting of the side rolls, the low roll, support rolls, top support setting, and of course the rotation control. The controls, it's all icon driven, so if you want to develop a program, again, and the operator can certainly see what axis he wants to control. And then we have the quick wizards that if I touch this light bulb and touch the top hat, you can select from a number of different wizards that you can use to select different shapes, for example, circles, squares, and very importantly for a lot of our former Roundo customers, they can actually download and import programs from their current Roundo CNC control, and again, with minor tweaking, be able to use those programs for their parts. So the ability to almost instantly start rolling the same parts that rolling on the old Roundo computer today on the new SweBend is a big advantage for most of our customers. So I'm going to start the machine, and we're going to roll some parts for you just to show you the capabilities of the machine. So first, let's roll up a cylinder. So we start the machine. So the first steps are to prepare the machine for entry of the plate. So the rear roll will come up to act like a back gauge on a shear. The front roll will act as a support roll, and the center roll, the lower roll, will lower itself so that you can enter the plate. Okay? Let go. Okay, thank you. So we start the program again. The lower roll will pinch at a program pressure, and again, every program can have its own pressure setting. The lower roll, the rear side roll will then drop down. We'll move backwards so that we can pre-bend or reduce the flat end to a minimum, in this case about 1.5 times material thickness. We do a pre-bend on the machine with the front side roll, which will then come down, and then we'll bring the rear side roll up to complete the process. One of the nice features of the SweBend control is that there's a soft stop button on the control panel. If I hit the soft spot button, the control will stop immediately, and I can check radius, or I can do whatever I need to do on the machine, and then all I have to do is start the control again, and it'll pick up where it left off. Here we're lifting up the support roll, the top support, so that we don't overlap the cylinder. We check to make sure that the setting is correct. Once we finish rolling, we release the cylinder. All right, now we'll go ahead and change the program. Again, we have virtually unlimited number of programs that can be loaded into the machine. So I'm going to go back to the control, call up the library of parts that we have, the part programs here. Next, we'll try to do a square tank. Load that up, start CNC, and start the program. So again, same initialization process. Okay. So the CNC control maintains the roll parallelism on the two side rolls, maintains the lower roll pressure for when it pinches the material. We can position the bending rolls plus or minus 0.4 of an inch. We can rotate, as we rotate, we can rotate accurately to within plus or minus 0.8 of an inch. Okay. And on these 4-roll machines, generally, they're very popular for cone rolling. So on the machines, we can very easily tilt the rolls. So we'll notice on the screen, if I press one of the buttons for cone tilt, and then I can tilt the side roll here, for example. And I can directly read on the screen how much tilt I want on there. And then one of the nice features of the machine, I can also parallel by just pushing a button and roll automatically parallel. Another nice feature on the machine is what we call the Quickie CNC. Quickie CNC, I can just touch an icon here, and if I want to raise this bending roll up to a particular position, I can either use the joystick and just tweak it back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and again, try to get to an exact number, or I can touch the screen here, enter a number. Let's say I want to go to a 27-inch position, and just touch that, and the roll will automatically step up to 27 inches. Right? So one of the nice features of the machine. Just want to let you know also that SweBend has a number of other machines that are available, like plate straightening machines, and as I mentioned, they have, you can get the machines in a vertical configuration for large radius sheets. Sometimes it's easier to handle the sheet or the plate with it standing vertically, and those are available as well on that. And again, if you have any questions about the machines, we urge you to contact us, phone number or website, www.trilogymachinery.com. We also, you can download the SweBend catalogs and other literature from our website as well. So please let us know how we can assist you. And again, let us know if you have any questions. We appreciate your time, and thank you for watching.